Do you want to prepare your pizza dough but you forgot to buy yeast in the supermarket? Today, I'm going to show you that it is not a problem. You can prepare your pizza dough without yeast. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how I prepare this very pizza dough and how I use the same dough to prepare my pepperoni pizza. I must tell you, this is very easy and simple. It doesn't take much time. You prepare your pizza within the space of 20 minutes. Everything is ready. So if you want to know how, just keep watching. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. So without taking much of your time, here are the list of the ingredients, in which I will put at the description box below. So let's get started. I will begin by pouring all-purpose flour into the mixing bowl. To it, I'll add baking powder, salt, and sugar. Give it a quick stir. Then add my olive oil. Finally, add water to it. With the help of my wooden spatula, I'm going to mix all together to form a dough. At this point, I'm going to transfer the dough to the workspace in order to knead it to form that soft and elastic dough. So watch me as I'm doing it. If your dough is a little bit sticky, feel free to add some flour on the work surface so that it will be easy for you to work through. Now we are starting the kneading process. I've tried this recipe and I found that this is the easiest way and the fastest way you can prepare pizza at home. While you're watching me, I want to use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers for being so supportive to my channel. You are not taken for granted. I love you all. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you're new here, I believe you are at the right place. In my kitchen, we are going to share more about the tips and tricks in cooking and baking. Another DIY tutorial. I believe you will love it. We have so many more things to share. So consider to press the subscription button and the notification bell so that you'll be aware anytime I upload a new video. If you like what you're seeing, I will be glad if you can give me thumbs up. God bless you as you do so. Now, as you can see, the pizza dough is ready. You don't need to keep it or proven it. Now I will go ahead and divide the pizza dough into two. I will start shaping the dough by dusting the work surface and using my rolling pin to flatten it. Here I have two pizza pans, greased and lined up with parchment paper. Now, as you can see, I'm shaping the dough. At this point, I'm going to use my fork to pierce the dough, like so. Here I have my homemade pizza sauce. If you want to know how I prepare this pizza sauce, check on my previous video on how to make tuna pizza. Okay, I will put the link at the description box below. Okay. After applying my pizza sauce, I'm going to add my mozzarella cheese. I'm going to sprinkle a generous amount of this mozzarella cheese because you know what? My children love cheesy pizza. You know? Yes, I mean cheesy pizza. Hey, promise you, if you try this recipe at home, you won't even waste time to prepare pizza. By the time you know it, the pizza is ready. Just give it a try. I've tested and I've proven it. Here I'm going to add all my toppings. You can add any toppings of your choice. Feel free to add whatever vegetables or whatever you want to add to it. Here I have my sliced onions, chopped yellow bell pepper, sliced olive, pepperoni, many more you can add. After adding these toppings on the pizza, I will repeat the same process with the other pizza dough. So finally we'll have 2 pizza being prepared. You know I have a big family. As you can see here, I proceed adding more cheese to it because as I told you, children love cheesy pizza. Then to it I add some sprinkles of oregano. You can put any spices or black pepper or whatever you like to it. This spicy here is made for pizza, but it's optional. Just because I like it, I like the flavor from it, so I decided to add it. Now I'll transfer it to the preheated oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 160 degrees centigrade. 10 minutes later, the pizza is ready. As you can see, it's looking so mouth-watering. It's delicious and it's easy, quick to prepare. Now it is ready to be served. I would like you to try this recipe. I promise you, you will never be disappointed. Till next time, see you in my next video and stay healthy. God bless you. Don't forget to give me like and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.